Let's take a look at the TachoSafe CardHotel, a device built for multi-company remote authentication setups. Inside the package, you get the CardHotel itself, a USB cable, and a power supply adapter. To operate it, you connect it to a computer and power it up. From there, it is recognized as a virtual serial port and a disk drive. Now, what is this product actually used for? Instead of using many separate USB-connected smart card readers, the CardHotel gives you 40 built-in smart card readers in one device. It can communicate with all 40 of them in parallel using just a single USB port on your computer. That makes it a practical solution for companies and service providers managing multiple company cards and multiple systems at the same time. In terms of use, once installed, it works together with the TachoSafe RDU Multi-Company Manager application. You insert the company cards into the reader units and assign them to the corresponding companies. Then, you just have to make sure to keep it connected to complete scheduled data downloads. The CardHotel helps centralize company card handling, saves space, and simplifies large-scale remote authentication processes.